Oh, I will show y'all my book in case you're new here. Start Your Notary Business. Bam! This one happens to be for Indiana, but every state has their own book, How to Start Your Business. If you're just starting out and you're unsure of your next steps, you may want to check out this book. And again, each state. So this one is Indiana, Florida has their own book, Alabama, Mississippi, everybody got their own book. Or if you're an advanced notary and you are learning how to price your services and still unsure how to talk to signing companies if they owe you money, or you've considered, you think you're getting lowball offers, this book, Pricing Your Notary Services, Let's Talk About the Money, talks all things money related to the industry. How to price ink fingerprinting, proctoring, everything, loan signing. Gives you nice tips about what to think about, okay? And all of that is at Notary Life. I mean, no, it's not. It's at NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. Okay. NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. And I forgot, Alexis has the loan signing class coming up. I think it's this weekend. Loan signing, if you are thinking about adding that stream of income, or if you are a notary signing agent and you don't know what to do. Okay. You still unsure about your duties, how to do the signing from beginning to end. That class is coming up this weekend. And also it's like a whole mock signing, but deep training at the same time, because we go over what to do at the initial, even accepting of the assignment to the conclusion of the assignment. So everything that happens at that table, even if you're dealing with a slow signer, a fast talker, slow talker, we go over all of that. Let's see. That's hilarious, Kimmy. Okay, yeah, I know, right? What's that? Okay. PL is in the house, Indiana. Yes, hello. All right, well, if you guys don't have any questions, you got a few more seconds. Any questions? Anything you want to know? I'm here in the flesh. Nothing else. I appreciate all of you guys with your adding to the conversation. Your experience and your tips all make for a great conversation too. And a lot of people may be in the middle of their workday, so they won't be able to join us live. But this is a great conversation, and your perspective and your comments and stuff truly, truly added to this. I'm telling you, it takes a village, guys. It takes a village. We would love to be part of your village, Notary Educators. Don't forget the mentor program. All right. Well, I'm going to let y'all go back to Friday. Well, I appreciate you all hanging out with me again on behalf of Notary Educators and Notary Life with Kimmi. Let's see. Nicole says, I'm still trying to make sure I know how to use the back office. Thank you. Nicole, really quick, back office of what, huh? What are you referring to? Back office. What are you referring to? Building your business out? Is that what you're referring to? Let me know right quick. What back office are you referring to? Oh, you're welcome, Robin. My pleasure, Anne-Marie. You guys have a good day, everyone that has to go. I will answer Nicole's question if she can tell me quickly. What back office? Are you referring to like you're building your business? Because I use Notary Gadget for that. I have an affiliate link. You can check it out for all my accounting purposes. Like how far I traveled. But let me see what you're referring to. Back office, collecting payments. I mean, what part of the business are you referring to? Oh, Nicole is saying, yeah. So, yeah, I use Notary Gadget for entering my signings. I love it because you can also create categories for your, Notary Gadget. That's correct. Yep. And you can check it out at notaryeducatorsllc.com. Also, and I use that to write in my signings, and it tells you, it calculates the mileage for you, how much you actually made per signing, because a lot of times we get caught up in, well, I had to print 100 pages. Well, paper don't cost that much, y'all. I mean, yeah, you do want to factor it into your pricing, but don't let that be a hindrance because you had to print 200 pages. You know, a pack of paper is $7 and somebody paying you $100. You know what I mean? So let's just do the math. And you're not even usually doing that many pages nowadays. And there's a lot of sellers and buyers packages happening right now. And it's still loan modifications. I did last week. I did mostly sellers packages. People are selling properties like crazy. Modifications are not happening as much as they were happening. Those are like 20 pages or less, 30 or less. Let's say 30. And refis, I had 2 refi offers this week. 2 refis. I couldn't take either one. I was mad. But I had 2 refis. So mostly what's happening in the market right now, people are selling. They are trying to get rid of these properties. I guess they feel something coming. I kind of feel something coming too. I don't know what it is, but people are selling like crazy. One more time, the name of the pricing book. Oh, yeah. I know I went through that kind of fast, don't I? I speak kind of fast sometimes. The pricing book is Pricing Your Notary Services. Let's talk about the money. It's not that complicated. And it's at notaryeducatorsllc.com too. Yeah, everything's right there. And I just redid the website. I don't know if anybody saw it and can give me any feedback right quick. Oh, could y'all look at it right quick and give me some feedback? Because I got a few more minutes. Could y'all look at Notary Educators right quick and give me some feedback? NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. I tried to make it easier, and I put the links in the front because some people don't know how to use that hamburger, the little 3-line thingy. So I tried to make it easy to access the courses and stuff. Oh, look at it for me, y'all, right quick. That's one favor y'all could do for me. Give me some feedback right quick on the website. Just a couple things. Be nice. Be nice. Oh, thank you, Robin. Robin said, I've been on it. It is easier to navigate. Yes, because people were calling me, and I talked about this in a live last week. People were like, where's this course at? Where's the book at? Where's it? And I said, oh my God, is the website that complicated? And I'm the queen of keep it uncomplicated, make it easy for your clients to do business with you. And I was making it complicated, and I didn't realize that. So I had to learn. I'm always open to learn. So I was watching somebody else, and I was like, wait a minute, I need to simplify the website because people can't get on. They don't know they're there, but they don't know what to do, and everybody don't know how to use the hamburger, like I was saying. So what's your first glance? Anne Marie says it's still user friendly. I keep pressing until I get to it. LOL. Oh no. And see, that's not what I want, Anne Marie. You should not have to just keep pressing and looking and searching and finding. So I'm hoping it's easier. I try to put links on the front page, like if somebody wants the free resources. And don't sleep on our free resources, guys. I hear some of you are paying. Oh, thank you, P. Graham. And we're actually building websites too, just to let you know. I forgot about that. If you need a simple website, we got you. So let me know. Or if you need us to look at your website and make sure it's being fully maximized, let us know. But I forgot to tell y'all, oh man, I forgot that quick what I was trying to tell you when I went to say nice website. Thank you. Oh man. I get it, but I'm one of those that I like to know my way around by getting lost a little. Oh, okay, that's funny. Yeah, you don't mind playing around with the website. I forgot what I was getting ready to say just that quick. Oh my God, if it comes to me. But it was something about the website. Oh no, making it easy for your clients to do business. I think that's where I was going. Yeah, I'm the queen of that. So your clients shouldn't have to say, well, let me go to the bank and get $20. They should be able to pay you with Cash App, Zelle, whatever. Okay. If that was not my thought, y'all remind me right quick. So I'm glad y'all like the new website. Thank you. So I'm just trying to make it better. Oh, thank you, Nicole. The free resources. Yes. Nicole, I love y'all. So what I was going to say about the free resources is check out the free resources tab, because I'm hearing many of you are paying for your EIN number. You do not have to pay anyone for an EIN number. That is completely free. So I have the link over at Notary Educators, and under free resources on that front page, click it and it'll take you right to get your EIN number for free. I also have there, Alexis created a beautiful business tip sheet. So check that out and print that out, or put it on your tablet or whatever. It'll take you step by step how to start your business. We also have over there a direct link for LLCs. People have a lot of questions about LLCs. So I'll put a link over there for the LLCs. Many of you do not know I have another YouTube channel. Actually, I have 3 total. I have 3 for those who may be new. The other one is called Business Life with Kimmi. And on that channel, I go over a lot of deep business stuff. Some of it I share here, of course. But that is really designed for all businesses, not just notary.